My name is Dr. Asim Hassin. In this session, we'll explore the key aspects of this fascinating condition, including its symptoms, causes, and clinical significance. We'll keep it concise and engaging, so let's get started on understanding Foster-Kennedy syndrome together. Foster-Kennedy syndrome, or FKS, is a rare neuro-ophthalmological condition that occurs due to an intracranial mass, usually a tumor located in the frontal lobe or the olfactory groove. This syndrome is characterized by a very specific set of clinical findings, which form a triad. First, we see ipsilateral optic atrophy, meaning that the eye on the same side as the tumor experiences progressive vision loss. Often, this includes a central scotoma, which is essentially a blind spot in the visual field of that eye. Next, there's contralateral papilledema, which is swelling of the optic disc on the opposite side. This swelling results from increased pressure inside the brain, affecting the optic nerve head. Finally, the third key point is anosmia, or loss of the sense of smell, on the same side as the optic atrophy. This occurs because the tumor compresses the olfactory nerve, impairing its function. Understanding Foster-Kennedy syndrome is important because it highlights how a single intracranial lesion can cause these distinct, but interconnected, clinical signs that help us localize the problem. It underscores the relationship between brain pathology and eye and sensory nerve manifestations, tying into the broader theme of how neurological conditions can present with ophthalmological signs. Let's delve into the pathophysiology behind this condition. When a large tumor compresses one side of the optic nerve directly, it causes that nerve to waste away, a process known as atrophy. This is because the nerve fibers are damaged and can't function properly anymore. As the tumor continues to grow, it increases the overall pressure inside the skull, which leads to swelling in the other eye, a condition called papilledema. Interestingly, the eye with the atrophied nerve can't swell because its nerve fibers are already damaged and can't respond to the increased pressure. Now, moving on to the common causes, the most frequent one is a meningioma, especially in areas like the olfactory groove, sphenoid wing, or subfrontal regions.